Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S. First, carefully unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, you'll need to download and install the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website. This software is essential for managing your device and cryptocurrency. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to begin initializing your new hardware wallet. Now let's initialize your device. On your Ledger Nano S screen, select Setup as New Device. You will then create a secure PIN code which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Remember this PIN as it's crucial for accessing your device. Most importantly, you will be given a 24-word recovery phrase. Write each word down precisely on the recovery sheet provided. This is your master key. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, just like you wouldn't trust your crypto to cheap security, don't trust your feet to cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your device initialized, connect it to Ledger Live and install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you wish to manage, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After installing the apps, add accounts for these cryptocurrencies within Ledger Live. To receive assets, select the Receive option in Ledger Live, verify the address on your device, and then share that unique address to receive your first crypto. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.